What is up, everybody? How is everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And guys, today we're going to be talking about how you can continue. I won't even say start, but continue to list your Airpod replicas on Facebook without getting them taken down. If you don't know, I've been actually going through different methods to make sure that they are up to date, because I do see in my Discord a lot of individuals are asking me, hey, what's the new method and how do I do X, Y, and Z? If you don't know about the Discord, you need to actually get in it, man. This is a Discord full of like-minded individuals. These are people that are continuing to grow. We are working together. We're building. We are getting to the point to where we're going to continue to grow no matter what happens, no matter anything. You just got to get over all obstacles. So if you're somebody right now watching this video because you frustrated and you trying to like speed through it because you like, yo, man, like I'm so sick of this. Like every time I try to list something, it gets taken down. This is the name of the game. And I'm not saying the game is fun. I'm not saying that this is something that I enjoy personally either. Like this is a rinse and repeat game, but it also is an ever-changing game. The technology field is very, very competitive. And also we have to rely on platforms that we don't own to sell our things sometimes, right? So sometimes it could be discouraging. Sometimes you can look up and then your whole thing is just taken down, and your Mercari is just taken down, or your eBay is taken down. And speaking of that, that's why we have hustletaught.me.com. I have so many different options for you to make sure that you keep your stuff up. So we have the eBay automation class, right? So I said automation class, automation service. So you can actually literally get us to list, ship, revise, and provide products for you. I'll have more videos on this extensively, but this helps people not get their stuff taken down too. You pay $150. We work for you for a week. The more you pay, the higher the budget. The higher the budget, the more expensive products get that are listed. So 150, you're looking at chargers, adapters, wireless charging pads, power banks. You're looking at cases, screen protectors, things of that nature, MagSafe cases as well. And at 250, you're looking at different little gadgets being included, such as speakers, drones, and things of that nature. I don't think that anybody buys hoverboards anymore. So we really stopped providing those on eBay and stuff because it's like nobody really uses them. But we used to include hoverboards. We used to have these cool little gadgets where they were essentially items that you can hook up to your phone, and they would do certain things like a fan, a whole bunch of different things. And they were not costly, but they were actually something that people would buy because they would be trending. So the 250 range, you're going to get things that are going to be more in this JBL speaker range. And then the 350 is where you'll be getting phones added. Not the most expensive phones, of course, but we're talking about iPhone 11s. We're talking about iPhone 12s, 12 Pro Maxes, things of that nature will be added to your eBay, and we'll list them for you. We'll provide the phone for you. All you're paying is $350. We don't take any of your money. You keep 100% of the profit. All right. One of the biggest things that I win when you do this is that I actually get your testimonial and you happy, and that actually gets me so that I can actually make another video and promote it, and people can see your successes. Okay. I want everybody to win, but we also, of course, have the wholesale reps, and the wholesale reps come wholesale. You can get 4, 8, or 12. Okay, 4 is 152, 8 is 280, and 12 is 360. Okay, so for 4, if we're going to do our math, we can get the calculator. So we pay 152, divide that by 4, and that would come up to $38 each. Now, to everybody that's getting their AirPods for $27 on DHgate, that's $11 more. $11 more for no chargebacks, for more customer satisfaction, for you not having the hassle of having AirPods that are wrapped in plastic when they don't even come wrapped in plastic, packaging not even looking similar or the same. Of course, like the normal cosmetics of the AirPods are going to look the same, but in all retrospect, you want to make sure that you're getting AirPods that are actually going to give that experience to the customer, because if they're in the gym and then the music stops playing, or they're on a phone call and nobody can hear them, they're going to quickly go ahead and return it, and you're going to quickly have a chargeback. And when you have that chargeback, it's not something that you're going to be able to prevent. It's going to be an inconvenience to you, and we try to literally prevent that, because that is harmful, and it's something that you don't want on your brand if you have one. All right, now, okay, let's talk about this. If people are asking me, which they already do, AirPods, are they saturated on Facebook Marketplace? The answer is yes. They're saturated in everybody's area. I mean, for anybody that is searching AirPod Pro Gen 2 or just AirPod Pro, because I didn't even put Gen 2 in there. Let me put Gen 2 real quick. You can obviously see that this is something a lot of people want, a lot of people are buying, a lot of people are selling, right? You want to make sure that you're up to this point, right? And that's one of the most important things. But the first thing that I hear a lot of my friends that are selling these say is don't put the picture up if they're in plastic. Do not repost a picture of the AirPods in plastic. These reselling websites, apps, they now have AI where they can actually see, hey man, this don't even look like a real AirPod Pro Gen 2. So now we're going to just take this down. Like that's what I'm hearing from the grapevine, from like you heard on eBay, but also on Facebook too. Okay. So that's important. And you also want to do one of the biggest things, which is making sure that you're listing it as used. All right, so I'm gonna list one with you guys. So we're gonna do item for sale. Okay. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going to actually vet. I'm gonna look for some. It's like this. This is not legitimate because these are in plastic. These do not come in plastic. Now, if you're gonna get our AirPods look like this back, but not with plastic. But it looks similar to this back. A little bit smoother, but similar. Okay. This is an okay back, but the plastic is really throwing us off because they don't come in plastic. Now, here's the thing. Let's say you are getting cheap ones. You're still going to get a charge back 100%, right? I'm sure, because now people are catching on. But at least rip it out the plastic, bro. Like, come on now. If you're going to be cheap and put some effort, right? Now, you don't want to put up no posts that look like this. This is ridiculous. This don't even make sense. I wouldn't even put nothing up like this. But what we would put up is let's see, something like this, not something like this because it has too many and it just seems like, bro, why do you have that many? Like you're not going to a store and copping that many. You know what I mean? You just okay. So this would be one. All right. So we're gonna take this image. We're gonna take this image. We're gonna then take this image. Okay, box is a little damaged right here, but it's okay. It makes it look real, right? Because nobody has like a perfect box. If you're just reselling something, right? Maybe it might be a little damaged. Okay, so all right, boom. We're gonna put this over here. We're gonna actually go and literally what I usually do is I'll do this. I'll just take this. I'll say boom. I don't want to do the still thing, like, oh, it's a still. No, AirPod Pro Gen 2. The price, let's make it 105 because that's what I heard is a trending good price. We're going to actually go to cell phone accessories. We're going to go to cell phone accessories. We're going to go to headsets. Okay. Condition. Now we use like new is what we would say. Use like new. And I will also go and I'm going to look. Boom. I'm gonna look for a description. Now, this one is a brand new, never used. It's a still. That sounds too desperate to me. I'm also going to take this picture. I like this picture right here. Shows the back of the device. We're going to actually take that. We're going to put that there too. So we're Frankensteining different posts. Okay. Let me move that one so I can stop clicking on that. All right. Boom. So now comes with comes come and get both of them sealed brand new. Don't want them. Got them for a B-Day gift. Okay, he's doing a B-Day gift little approach, which is cool. I heard somebody say, hey Brandon, I heard on YouTube that a guy he sells them on Facebook and he gets really good sales. And he says that he gets really good sales because when he meets the people off of Facebook, he lets them try them. What do you think about it? Okay, so on that aspect, right? When it comes to like letting people try headphones, that's crazy to me. Like I don't that doesn't make like what I'm gonna just be like walking around with AirPods and letting people put their ears in the AirPod Pros or like how y'all doing that clean and sanitary? Like how are y'all okay with that? You know what I mean? Brand new, never open AirPod Pro. Uh we can meet at my business location. And again, send them to a plaza, guys. They'll never know. It ain't even that deep. All right. Yeah, like how are y'all like honestly, how are you promoting this and like listing this and actually okay with letting people try this, and put in the air? Like that bothers me a lot, okay? It bothers me a lot. I don't think that's a good method. Okay. I don't think that. If anything, what I would say is to ensure that you get good feedback, just make sure that you follow up with people and you just after they buy it, like buy it, let me get the bread, hand me the bread, then put in your ear, which I'm sure they do when they get in the car anyway. That makes more sense. But like saying Brandon, hey, I'm just gonna let people try it, and if they don't like it, then I just take it back and I'll avoid having any type of problems. That just doesn't make sense to me. It's not clean, and yeah, that I wouldn't do that. That's not realistic. It just seems as if that's coming from somebody that doesn't really do it, because I don't think that that would even be cool. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys continue to make money work for you. I hope you guys are building, and I can't wait to see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.